What if I told you there are 3 remarkable compliments so potent and unique that they can make a woman think of you constantly? Forget the typical lines like, "You're beautiful," or "You have nice eyes." These compliments act as psychological triggers that truly ignite attraction. However, tread carefully. If not used thoughtfully, you might forge a bond you never anticipated. You're about to discover 3 uncommon compliments that resonate with a woman's deepest feelings. They'll help her feel seen, understood, and irresistibly drawn to you. Before we proceed, let's address a common mistake many men make when offering compliments. Many believe it's mainly about elevating a woman's ego, but that isn't the case at all. The most impactful compliments do more than just lift her spirits. They resonate emotionally. Most women hear the same reiterations like, "You look amazing," or "I love your smile." While nice, these phrases become forgettable due to their overuse. Why? Because she has encountered them countless times before. But if you express something more profound that touches her sense of identity, that's when you create a lasting impression. Before diving in, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Now let's start with the first powerful compliment. "There's something about the way you think that's different." This phrase stirs curiosity. You're acknowledging her intellect rather than her appearance. Most women typically hear praise about their looks, not their thoughts. When you highlight her thinking, she'll begin to wonder, "What does he see in me?" That little question will linger in her mind. This taps into a psychological phenomenon. People remember incomplete ideas. By saying this, you pique her interest, and with a playful smile say, "I'll share more later." Then shift the conversation topic. Suddenly she'll be thinking about you long after you depart. Now, let's move to the second captivating compliment. You make the people around you feel alive. While many men tell women they're attractive, few say they bring joy to others. This compliment shows her that she matters for who she is, not solely for her looks. It communicates, "I recognize something exceptional within you." Everyone fears being forgotten, and this compliment alleviates that anxiety. By offering this praise, you demonstrate her influence on those around her. She'll associate that intense positive feeling with you. It relates to her longing for significance, the desire to feel important and valued. Complimenting her beauty is common, but praising her energy is rare, and rarity is incredibly alluring. The third forbidden compliment is, "I don't believe you realize how unique you are, and that's what intrigues me." This statement holds tremendous power. It prompts her to pause and reflect. It conveys that she is one of a kind. While many women may feel attractive or intelligent, feeling unique is a different matter entirely. This compliment elicits a profound emotional response. People cherish what is hard to find. By saying this, she'll want to affirm your observation, revealing her distinct qualities. If she inquires about your viewpoint, that's when you know it has resonated with her. Though these compliments carry great influence, they must be employed carefully. Overusing them can lead to unintended attachments. However, when used judiciously, they can render you unforgettable. If you wish to explore even deeper and learn how to cultivate lasting attraction over time, watch the next lesson on the power of compounding. This lesson uncovers the secrets to achieving enduring success, not only in attraction, but across all facets of life.